Creating a spa-like bathroom for maximum relaxation. After a long day of work, there's nothing quite like coming home to a peaceful, spa-like bathroom to unwind and relax. If you're looking to create a calming sanctuary in your own home, there are several steps you can take to transform your bathroom into the ultimate relaxation oasis. Declutter and organize. The first step to creating a spa-like bathroom is to declutter and organize your space. Get rid of any unnecessary items and make sure everything has a designated place. Invest in some storage solutions, like baskets or shelves, to keep your essentials within reach but neatly organized. Soft lighting. Harsh overhead lighting can be jarring and make it difficult to relax. Consider adding soft lighting options like candles, dimmer switches, or even a Himalayan salt lamp. Soft lighting will help to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Natural elements. Incorporating natural elements like plants, rocks, and wood can bring a sense of tranquility to your space. You can add potted plants or a vase of fresh flowers to your bathroom, display some decorative stones or seashells, or even install a wooden bath mat. Luxurious towels and robes. Invest in some plush towels and robes to complete the spa-like experience. Soft, fluffy towels and cozy robes will help you feel pampered and relaxed. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a great way to create a relaxing environment in your bathroom. You can use essential oils, scented candles, or incense to create a soothing atmosphere. Some popular scents for relaxation include lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus. Soothing sounds. Consider adding some soothing sounds to your bathroom to help you relax. You can play soft music, nature sounds, or even install a small water fountain. The gentle sounds will help you unwind and forget about the stresses of the day. Spa-like accessories. Finally, add some spa-like accessories to your bathroom to complete the experience. Invest in a bathtub tray to hold your book, drink, or tablet, or add a fluffy bath mat to step onto after your bath or shower. You can also add a luxurious bathrobe hook or a set of bath salts to create a true spa experience. In conclusion, creating a spa-like bathroom for maximum relaxation is easier than you might think. By decluttering, adding soft lighting, natural elements, luxurious towels and robes, aromatherapy, soothing sounds, and spa-like accessories, you can create a calming sanctuary in your own home. Take the time to transform your bathroom into a peaceful oasis, and you'll reap the benefits of a relaxing and rejuvenating space every day.